You're a DJ and you're looking for an easy way to design your own logo. The Logo Maker from Placeit can help. I'm Nona Blackman for Envato Tuts Plus, and in this video I'll show you how to make your own cool and professional DJ logo design quickly and easily using the Logo Maker from Placeit. Go to placeit.net and type DJ logo in the search bar. This will quickly filter out the best logos for DJs. Logos take three basic forms: an abstract symbol, an illustrative symbol, or a font-based logo. Most companies use a font-based logo to support an abstract or illustrative symbol, a combination that makes logos much easier to remember. A logo should represent some aspects of your personality or your business's personality. So take a careful look at the logos on offer here until you find one that appeals to your taste. When you find a logo that you like, click on it to open the template in the Logo Maker. To customize your logo, start with the controls on the right and select your graphic first. You can choose a graphic from those offered, or if you have a specific image in mind, you can type a term in the search bar to find the perfect image. I'm going to choose this graphic. Now it's time to choose your color scheme. Starting from the top, choose a background color for your logo. You can opt for a transparent background, which will allow you to place your logo in all types of backgrounds easily, or you can opt for a solid color. Next, choose your main and accent colors. Now move to the controls on the left and add your text. You can change the font style here and the color here. Experiment with resizing and move in your graphic and text to see what you come up with. And if you don't like what you've done, you can hit the Reset Layout button here to return to the default layout. Once you've completed your customizations and are satisfied with your design, hit the download button at the top of the screen. This will take you to the download page where you have two options for purchasing your logo. You can either pay a fee for your logo or sign up for a monthly or yearly subscription. This offers you unlimited downloads of all Placeit designs, mockups, logos, videos, and gaming templates. Here's the logo design I created with the Placeit Logo Maker. I used the Placeit mockup generator to test how the design would look in real-life scenarios. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, it's a really great idea to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see other fantastic videos from Envato Tuts Plus, and of course you do, subscribe today. I'm Nona Blackman, and I'll see you next time.